Hello, good day everyone. Welcome to our General Physics 1 Module 6 discussion. So Module 6 talks about the work, energy, and power. Let's talk about scalar product. Did you know that a vector can be multiplied by another vector, but may not be divided by another vector? In physics, two kinds of products of vectors are widely used. One of these is a scalar multiplication of two vectors. The result of taking the product of two vectors is a number, a scalar. Now, the scalar product is also known as the dot product since we will be using the dot symbol, which denotes multiplication. The scalar product of two vectors a and b is a number defined by the equation product of vectors a and b is equal to ab cosine phi. Remember, phi is also known as the angle between the vectors. The dot product is a negative number when 90 degrees is less than phi and phi is less than or equal to 180 degrees, and is a positive number when 0 degree is less than or equal to phi and phi is less than 90 degrees. The dot product of two parallel vectors is vector A times vector B is equal to AB cosine 0 degree is equal to AB. The dot product of two unparalleled vectors is vector A times vector B is equal to AB cosine 180 degrees is equal to negative AB. If you are going to calculate cosine 0 degree in your calculator, you get positive 1, and cosine 180 degrees you get negative 1. The scalar product of two orthogonal vectors vanishes as in vector A times vector B is equal to AB cosine 90 degrees is equal to 0. The scalar product of a vector with itself is the square of its magnitude. As in, vector A squared is identical to vector A times vector A is equal to AA cosine 0 degree is equal to A squared. The scalar product of two vectors, A, the angle between two vectors, vector A and vector B, the orthogonal projection of vector A into the direction of vector B, and the orthogonal projection of vector B into the direction of vector A. Let's have a sample problem. Find the scalar product of vectors A and F. To make this computation short, we follow the scalar product of vectors A and F is equal to AF cosine phi is equal to 10, which is the magnitude of vector A, times 20, the magnitude of vector F, cosine 75 degrees. 75 degrees is taken from the angle of vector F, which is 110 degrees, minus the angle of vector A, which is 35 degrees. Now we have 75 degrees. Using the scientific calculator, we get 51.76. Alright, that's it for the scalar product. For the remaining topics, I will be discussing that one in the next video. Thank you for listening. I hope you understand our discussion. Have a great day. Stay safe, everyone. Goodbye.